Do you know there are 5 types of fat in our body and 2 of them is very dangerous? Do you know which one is that? Hi, this is fitness coach Jobi here. In today's video, I'll be talking about all the 5 types of body fat. See, out of 5, only 2 of them is very dangerous. By the way, I will be posting health and fitness related content to this channel. So if you are into healthy living, or if you want to get rid of that unwanted fat, or if you want a 6-pack abs, and if you want some tips, remember to subscribe this YouTube channel because I will be posting one video every week that will help you improve your health. And also remember to enable that notification because you will be first notified when I upload the new video. So today's content is 5 types of body fat. Out of 5, only 2 of them is very dangerous. So if you look at our body, we have skin, that is the outer layer, and below the skin we have fat, that's called the subcutaneous fat. And below the subcutaneous fat we have organs, or we have parts, depends on where you are looking. So in this example we are going to look the abdomen area. Stomach fat is what is disturbing most of the people, so we will look that area in this particular example. So you have skin, below the skin you have the subcutaneous fat, and below the subcutaneous fat you have the abdomen muscles, and below the abdomen muscles you have abdominal cavity organs. Around the organs and inside these organs there can be fat, and that fat is called the visceral fat. Visceral fat is very dangerous. I will explain you why visceral fat is dangerous. We talked about the subcutaneous fat, right? I don't know why this is called subcutaneous fat. Maybe, if my guess is correct, subcutaneous fat is what is making people cute. If you have a lot of subcutaneous fat, or if you have a lot of this cute fat, subcutaneous fat, you don't see your muscles, you don't see your abdomen muscles. So maybe this is why it's called subcutaneous fat and not cute fat because this fat can make you cute or not make you cute. So make sure you are checking your subcutaneous fat. Second thing is the visceral fat. Visceral fat is one of the most dangerous fat. Why? Because if you look subcutaneous fat can have, so it can have either brown fat cells, or it can have white fat cells, or it can have even bright fat cells. This is a new cells scientists found out. What the scientist is saying, that bright fat cell is very healthy fat cells. One of the problematic fat cell is the white fat cells, because white fat cells only can store energy, whereas brown fat cells, this is what is found in the babies. You know, babies have a lot of brown fat cells. So brown fat cell is what make us warm. Our body maintain proper temperature with the help of brown. And bright fat cell is kind of a brown type white fat cells. When you are going into cold exposure, what is happening is, you know, your body can turn white fat cells into bright fat cells. So, and bright fat cell is a healthy fat cell. Not the white fat cell, but bright fat cell is a healthy fat cell. So I think this is why this cold therapy make really sense. If you want to be more healthy, if you want to lose weight, even if you want to lose that excess fat, cold therapy is one of the best method. Visceral fat is considered as a dangerous fat because this fat is created due to hormonal imbalance, or it can create inflammation, and this inflammation can lead to different health issues such as, you know, heart issues, different type of cancer, diabetes. In my opinion, visceral fat is the most dangerous fat because visceral fat consists of only white fat cells. White fat cells only can store energy, it cannot burn energy. That's why white fat cell is very dangerous. Because of that, you know, visceral fat is most dangerous. The less dangerous is subcutaneous fat. If you have a lot of brown fat cells or bright fat cells in that subcutaneous area or under the skin, this is not that dangerous. But if you have only white fat cells in your subcutaneous area or under the skin, this is also very dangerous fat. So the 2 dangerous type of fats is the subcutaneous fat and the visceral fat. In the last video I have discussed how to check your body fat percentage. Make sure you are checking your body fat percentage. You don't want too much of visceral fat. If you have excess visceral fat, that can lead to health complications. That is making your life very dangerous. So make sure you are checking it. I have posted a video, the link is here. Click the link and make sure you are checking your body fat percentage. Every human being have around 10 to 30 billions of fat cells, and this fat cell is yours. It will stay there forever. That means if you look at a person and if you don't see him any fat, which means that his fat cell is there, but his fat cell doesn't have any fat in it. Whereas if you look at the person who is really fatty, this means that his fat cell is filled with fat. So if you have excess body fat in your body, I will give you some option how to reduce. But let me ask you a question. Do you think this video is useful? Then why are you not giving a like? This type of support is what is motivating me to create videos like this. So make sure just click that subscribe button. I'll be very happy. If you just do at least a like, I'll be more happy. And also Google will love my video and it will share to many people. So just give me a support. In the next video, I'll talk about how to remove this belly fat or how you can lose belly fat. I'm just finding some of the nice research and I will share that with you in the next video. But meantime, just add a comment how much body fat percentage you have. So make sure you check that video, find out your body fat percentage. This is really important.